In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find drafts on Substack in the newsletter editor. Drafts are unpublished posts you've saved while writing, and Substack keeps them tucked away in your publisher dashboard so you can come back and finish them anytime. Let's walk through exactly where to find them. To get started, open Substack in your browser and sign into your account if you aren't already. Once the homepage loads, look over to the left navigation panel and click on Dashboard. This will take you into your publisher dashboard, which is the control center for everything related to your newsletter. Now that you're inside the dashboard, turn your attention to the left sidebar. You're going to look for the Content section, which groups together all of your written material. Under that Content heading, go ahead and click on Posts. This opens up the Posts area, where everything you've written, published, or saved lives in one place. On the Posts page, you'll notice a row of status tabs or filters near the top that let you sort your content by its current state. Click on the Drafts tab to filter the view down to only your unpublished posts. Substack will now display a list of every draft you've saved so far. Take a moment to scan through this list and locate the title of the draft you want to work on. Once you've spotted the draft you want, click directly on its title in the drafts list. Substack will load that draft back into the newsletter editor. Give the page a second to fully load, then confirm that the editor has opened correctly by checking that both the draft's title and the body text appear just as you left them. With the draft open in the editor, you can also review the auto-saved history of this post. Look at the bottom left corner of the Substack editor, and you'll see a small clock icon. Click on that clock icon to open the version history panel. Substack will display the previous auto-saved versions of this draft, so you can scroll through and review the earlier states of your writing. Take your time looking through those saved versions. When you're finished reviewing the history, click Cancel to close the panel and return to your current draft. And that's how you find your drafts on Substack and reopen them inside the newsletter editor, along with checking the auto-saved version history for the post you're working on.